Here's a good question. You're asked to add these rational expressions. To add, you'll need to have a common denominator. So let's factor the both denominators. So this would be things that multiply to 2 and add to 3. 2 times 1, I guess. So 2 and 1, and they both have to be negative. Plus 7 over, that's a difference of squares, so y minus 1, y plus 1. So the common denominator is y minus 2, y minus 1, y plus 1. So let's change each of them. So I'll have y minus 2, y minus 1. That's what I have already. And then I also need a y plus 1. But I didn't have that originally up here, so I also need to include it on the top. Plus 7 over y minus 1, y plus 1. That's what they're already. But to get the common denominator, also on this side, I need to have a y minus 2 on the top and the bottom. Okay. So now I have one denominator, y minus 2, y minus 1, y plus 1. That's common to both. And on the top, I'll have 3 times y plus 1 plus 7 times y minus 2. So now the only thing to do now is simplify the top. So I'll multiply the 3 through. So it'll be 3y plus 3 plus 7y minus 14 all over y minus 2, y minus 1, y plus 1. Like terms on the top, I think I'll have 10y minus 11 over y minus 2, y minus 1, y plus 1. So I'm thinking this one. They were all very similar, but 10y minus 11 over that. Yep. Hopefully that helps with that one.